좋겠다 여기.
I don't know if they sold the restaurant to someone else or it's just like, okay, like let's make the most of it. And they decided to, alright, we know if it's COVID and then they. And now like. Ah, merci beaucoup.
Voilà, bon appétit, bonne continuation.
Merci.
D'avoir des petites assaisonnées.
Literally like we're 8 hours, like, but now I'm getting used to it. Now I'm starting to like get used to it. The thing is that they're saying like, you know, like merci. That's also with the pandemic. I'm kind of like not feeling very at ease. Which is like so funny because I feel like that is not very. It's like the fried oil. And where are you living right now,
Merci madame.
Est-ce qu'on peut avoir un peu de ketchup, s'il vous plaît? Pour les frites, merci.
It is quite chilly today. Yeah, at least like
I do have a jacket. Me now, I'm starting to feel. I mean, it's unbearable. Like it's becoming like crazy. And the thing is that every year now
It's
we
getting
have
worse.
that, so it's getting worse and worse and worse. And they're like the one in Brazil, for example, you have AC everywhere.
in Korea as well. Like it's
Yeah.
all climatized, but it's like
Yeah.
나 열심히 찍지.
애쓴다. 조회수 많이 나와, 조회수. 홍보 좀 더해. 조회수가.